Since we've just done the AgeCat1 transformation, let's use it for our example here. On the variable view screen, on the row for AgeCat1, if we go to the values column and click in that cell, notice the word none is still here. There is this box at the end of the field with 3 dots. Again, the color scheme is different, but if you click on the 3 dots, you get the value label screen. Now, here is where we tell SPSS and our readers what the numbers 1 through 4 stand for. We know, because we did this, that the number 1 stands for people who are younger than 35. We know that the value 2 stands for people who are 35 to 44. You can follow any convention when you're labeling classes, as long as you are consistent. We know that the number 3 represents people who are 45 to 64. And we know that the number 4 represents people who are 65 or older. Okay. Look at the way this field looks now, and you can see what we've just done. I'm going to cancel this. Okay. Now if we go back to the data view, I want you to see something. Up on the icon line, there is an icon which looks kind of like a sales tag hanging off a coat at Burlington Coat Factories. It's called, as you've just seen, the Value Labels tag. If you click on it, watch what happens in the Pres 12 and AgeCat1 columns. You see, here, instead of displaying the numbers, the program displays the labels for these variables. Now, if we click it again, we're back to the numbers. What I want to do now is go back and do this for sex. This is easy. We know, because we've discussed this, that the number 1 stands for or represents males. And the number 2 stands for females. Again, this cell has now been filled in. We go back to the data view. We click on the value labels icon, and now we've got the labels for these various categories. That is the value labels command, which will be very important when you're constructing tables for people to read. On our next video, we'll use the crosstabs command to cross-tabulate some of these variables.